In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo 3. First, we'll dive right into opening Gemini. If you're not yet familiar, Gemini is the foundational platform you'll need, so make sure you have it up and running before going any further. It's your gateway to accessing Google Veo 3 and will serve as your workspace for creating and managing chats. Once you have Gemini open, it's time to create a new chat. Think of this chat as your canvas where you'll draft and discuss your video ideas. Creating a fresh chat keeps things organized and allows you to focus specifically on the task at hand. Start by navigating to the chat section within Gemini and open a new conversation. This setup is essential as it prepares you for the next steps. Now, within that chat window, you'll notice a menu. This is what we call the Tools menu. It's typically located near the chat box. Click on this menu to reveal additional functionalities that enhance your experience and help you create compelling content. You'll find various options designed to simplify your experience and help you unleash your creativity. With the Tools menu open, look for the option that says Create Videos with Veo. Selecting this option directs you to the video creation features within Google Veo 3. It's a powerful feature that allows you to bring your ideas to life using just your words and creativity. This tool is pivotal in transforming your textual ideas into vibrant scenes. After selecting Create Videos with Veo, it's time to unleash your creativity. Describe a scene you envision. Don't hold back on the details. Think about the visual style, mood, and any specific elements you want in your scene. Whether it's a bustling cityscape at night or a serene meadow at dawn, every detail helps Google Veo 3 create a more vivid and accurate representation of your vision. Be descriptive and don't hesitate to be specific about color palettes, lighting, or any particular atmosphere you want to achieve. Once you've provided a detailed description, the ball is now in Gemini's court. You'll need to wait a bit for Gemini to process your request. During this phase, Gemini works alongside Google Veo 3 to transform your description into a visual output. This is mostly an automated process, so you can sit back and relax while it does the heavy lifting. And there you have it, a streamlined workflow for using Google Veo 3 with Gemini. By following these steps, you'll be able to create impressive videos with just a few simple inputs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.